From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Caitlin McElwain. The number of Missourians waiting in jail for mental health care has gone up by about 40% from last year. The Missouri Independent reports that's nearly 450 people stuck in limbo, waiting for a spot in the state-run psychiatric hospital. Individuals on the wait list have been charged but not convicted and are often detained for longer than they would be if they received the maximum sentence for their charges. A new psychiatric hospital is coming to Kansas City, but it's not estimated to open until 2029. The Missouri Public Service Commission hosted a town hall in Joplin on Thursday for Liberty Utilities to hear directly from its consumers. Rachel Schnelly has more from Southern Missouri.
Thursday's town hall was the result of an investigation earlier this year by the Missouri Public Service Commission and the Office of Public Counsel. Within the last 14 months, nearly 45% of all Liberty's consumers reported issues with service. The main complaints from the spirited town hall discussion were inconsistent billing and random shutoffs. Joplin resident Jeremy Nelson said he shouldn't question the quality of service he's getting.
I think to sum it up, what everyone feels and what I feel is frustration and lack of trust.
In attendance were representatives from Liberty, including the Central District President, and representatives from the Missouri Public Service Commission and the Office of Public Counsel. This was the fourth of a series of town halls this month in this area. In Joplin, Missouri, I'm Rachel Schnelly.
Columbia is hosting office hours to hear feedback before the City Council votes to change its diversity, equity, and inclusion language on Monday. KUMU-8 reports Columbia must comply with the federal order that requires all cities to certify that they do not operate DEI programs. If the city doesn't comply, more than $48 million federal dollars could be taken away. Don Waterman is the 5th Ward City Council member and says Columbia's health care services would take one of the biggest financial hits if the city does not change its language.
Even though we may be changing some of the language on paper, what we do as a city is not going to change.
There's one more office hours session on Sunday afternoon from 2 to 4 at the Columbia Public Library. The Boone County Commission has adopted a new master plan. KOMU-8 reports the plan projects that Boone County will need to add at least 30 to 40,000 new housing units in the next 20 years. The county's population grew by 34% between 2000 and 2021. The County Commission says it will aim to preserve the county's farmland and natural areas as more housing is added. That concern over the county's rural character was widely shared among the people who responded to a survey the Commission sent out during their planning process. I'm Caitlin McElwain, KBIA News, Columbia.